according to Supra, it has specified the wheelbase is 60 inches. We are using 63 inches, which is about the 1600 mm. And the rule also specifies about the 75% of the wheelbase should be used to the track bit. We are using a larger track bit in the front because so as it stabilizes during the lateral forces. We started chassis design taking a consideration of the suspension points, what the location of the suspension points, and then we move on to the agroeconomic model, which is right there. That agroeconomic model specifies about the human comfort and distress. And rule says about that the driver back bracing is about 30 degree minimum. We are using 47.1 degree. And driver and this front wheel is about 2 inches, and we are using 2 inches. Our chassis, as we can see that there is lots of triangulation over there. We are using a triangulation because not only to increase the torsional stiffness, but by increasing the load, we can increase the surface area. By increasing the surface area, we can disperse the force, and ultimately we can reduce the stress, and it means that factor of safety increases. In agroeconomic model, we have specified about all the things that like driver comfort, it can easily egress if the emergency condition occurs. As a rule, this rule specifies 15 seconds for the emergency it can come out. We have calculated the 10 seconds our driver can come out. So much comfort level is there. And Supra also stress about the its driver safety. We are using the side braces for the driver safety, and so that we can design this chassis. And in our chassis, we have earlier using in the bottom is a circular rectangular bars, but it fails, it bends. So we have come to the change, and we are using now is a whole round bars, which give us an extra rigidity than the square rectangular bars. We are using a material AISI 4130, but earlier we have thought about the ASI 1030. We are compared between these two. All the values are same except the manganese, chromium and aluminum are added to strengthening agent to 4130. Behind this selection, this is the reason. Our yield strength and the modular rigidity all are same in 1030. Because and we done FE analysis in SolidWorks. We get the factor of 73, and the load we are applying 40 kN by taking constant engines and the suspension system front and rear. And in the cockpit we are using the two loads about the 40 kN, and we get the maximum strength 145 MPa. By braking force, if we braking force we are apply the brake. If we apply the brake, then all the weight shifted to front suspension and it accelerates. Then its maximum weight is supplied to the backside engine compartment. So by taking both their weight and constant
software for calculation or particular have you used software?
As the rule specifies you, we can rule. According to rule, our chassis can bear 30 kg. We are using 40 kg.
This is only applying.
Yes,
So check whether that is.
Rule that we are checking around 40 kilometers. How much our truck comes?
According to chassis rule, must be around 30.
Yes, sir. brake assembly. In brake assembly, rule says about if one circuit is failure, other will work. So that we are using the two circuits. One is connected to left front brake and other is the right. And in this way, we are using the braking assembly.
So power and clarity is not there. Of course, it's also not good. Make it bold.
In the brake parameters, we are using a Apache 180 RTR rotor because it has an extra cut on the circumference which give a easily heat dissipation from it. And we are using a twin piston caliper which give us the extra piston area, which extra piston area means that we can increase the torque, and by increasing the torque we can increase in the braking force and we can get the razor braking. And
These
we
things
can
you do it. You change the colors. You know, those which are important, you make it some color. Don't do it. You must be same color. You have to be somewhere where whichever is important, it can come in different color. Yeah, always all of them are not very important. For example, this model, TVS Apache is very good. Colors also can be changed so that you know they're all more appealing and somebody can get a feel of the same colors. Won't use too many colors. Okay?
we are using a master cylinder of Maruti 800cc, which fulfill our need. And as the rule says, our paddle should be a minimum 2000 Newton. We are using a paddle ratio 4:1, which is capable more than that. And we have calculated the stopping distance and by using of laws of motion. Now, Nitish Kumar will handle the power.
You need to practice a little more. Okay? So you seem to get stuck into doing it. You need to more practice. You also need to perhaps memorize much more than what you have done. Flow must be there. Flow is not continuous. You have to that is what I was able to do. You must try to relate things. Means you must plan your preparation. Try to see what you want to tell first, next what is the next what is the. This must be memorized.